This vacuum lifter is designed to lift smooth or rough marble and granite slabs. Featuring rugged construction with the ability to lift and tilt materials. Powered by compressed air. Slide valve with on/off position for attaching and releasing of material. Press button handle extensions extend from 76.2 mm, 3 inches to 106.68 mm, 4.2 inches. By pulling the black nuts up and dropping them down, the adjustable vacuum pads slide into the stringer beams on both sides to be suitable for the slab size. The joystick controls the pneumatic vertical horizontal tilting from 0 to 90 degrees. Acoustic and visual alarm system and energy saver control air consumption powered by a clip-in rechargeable 12 volts Li-Lon battery.